Good morning, guys. I hope you're all well. Today we are at the World Fruit Farm in Loughborough. They have a variety of fruits to pick from, such as strawberries, raspberries. They've also got some veg. I think they have rhubarb as well. So we're just making our way through the entrance and going to see what we're going to pick today. So we've got strawberries, raspberries, red, white, and black currants, rhubarb, and I think cranberries as well. But we've decided to pick strawberries because they are our favorite in the family, so we thought we'll pick those today. Whamswell Farm is much bigger than the Whetstone one. We've been to the Whetstone one a couple of times before, but we thought we'll come to Whamswell this year because we've never been here. So it is a very big patch, as you can see, and we can't wait to pick some nice fruit today.